Hi everyone and welcome back, it's James. Today I'm going to talk about a fun game that you can teach your students. It's called Bop It. There are three expressions that your students need to know. Bop it, twist it, and pull it. To say bop it in Japanese is tataku or tadaite. That's the same as hit it. Alright? Twist it is twist in Japanese. And pull, of course, is hipatte. But don't worry about that. But for the first time, you want to make sure they understand it. Then you're going to demonstrate it by. Then let me show you how to play it. I'm going to pull this solo and bop it to start.
I score 100. Bop it, twist it, pull it, pull it, twist it, twist it, bop it. Twist it, pull it, bop it, bop it, bop it, pull it, pull it, twist it, bop it, pull it, pull it, bop it, twist it, pull it, bop it, twist it, pull it. Twist it, pull it, twist it, pull it, bop it, bop it, twist it, twist it, twist it, bop it, bop it, twist it, pull it, twist it, pull it, bop it, pull it.
You see how?
Concentrate. Score 40.
40, not bad. Okay. There are different levels. You can do this. Pull this to change the mode.
Passing.
Classic.
Party.
Party.
Solo.
Solo. Press this button for level of difficulty.
Expert.
Expert.
Master.
Master.
Novice.
Novice. That's me. Okay. And that's it for this video, guys. That's it for this video, guys.
Bop it.
Thanks for watching.
Twist it.